In this video, we'll show you how to find your personalized degree tracker plan. First, you will need to log in to your myBoiseState account and open your Student Center. Once you are logged into your Student Center, click on the Advising and Academic Progress tile. This will load your Academic Advisement or AAR report. Next, look at the left-hand side of your screen and click on Degree Tracker. If this is your first time accessing Degree Tracker, you will see a message indicating that your plan is being loaded. Click OK. Please expect it to take a few moments for your plan to load. Once Degree Tracker confirms that your new plan is complete, click OK again. You'll then be taken to your customizable semester-by-semester degree plan. After the first time you have accessed your plan and made any changes, it will not have to be refreshed again, unless the registrar's office needs to make any updates to the existing plan. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please don't hesitate to reach out to Degree Tracker at boisestate.edu. You can also visit the registrar's website at www.boisestate.edu/registrar/.